Hey, it's Saturday, July 6th, and nice overcast day. Good time to take a trip up to the gorge. Gorge Days, North Bonneville, Washington. Be about 60 miles. Be a nice trip along Highway 14. And if we get around to it, on the way home we could stop by Vancouver and see the big shindig. Starts at high noon. That should work out pretty well. Well, we're on our way to North Bonneville for the car show. Made a very wise stop here at Cascade Locks, and really good breakfast, sort of a old-time kind of place. Arrowheads, shotguns, gas pumps, natural wood, all the views of the river. Pretty nice. Well, we're at the North Bonneville Park, I guess it is. It looks like a pretty nice show. Nice little breeze, a lot of trees. Not too sunny. Might work out. No, you can do it. 1940 5-wheel Ford Coupe. Beautiful black. And just for comparison, a 41 5-window Ford Coupe. We'll catch the paint on this. What would you call that?
I call it kind of a deep red or maroon. It's not really maroon.
Nope. Pretty though.
The deep exhaust on that.
The what?
The exhaust come out right behind the tire. Is that what that is? Oh, look at this one. I like this one. That's beautiful.
That'd make a good farm truck, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it'd make wonderful. Too bad, too nice.
I'm gonna have to guess this being a 51 Plymouth.
49. 49. I don't like paint so much, flamed out.
37 Plymouth. That's a nice setting for that 31 two-door. 32 High Boy, sort of looking like it's in primer, but I think that's a finish paint. Beautiful red. That is red. Ford was always changing the grills from standard to deluxe, and then the next year onto the trucks. My friend Les Schwab is out here in business. See what's in the bed, huh? I think we've seen this one before.
Really? The other one had that big tall grill.
Yep. So this is a 48. They were driving Hudsons. Couple of wow cars here. Everybody's having a good time. Well, definitely several hundred cars here today, at least. Since I had one, I should know. Nice paint combination. That's what I had, 39, two-door sedan. Mine never looked quite that good. Nice looking Chevy, beautiful paint. Yeah. I was saying it's either a 41 or a 46. This one says it's a 42, which to my knowledge, Chevrolet didn't make any peacetime vehicles in 42, but could have been sold in 42. And isn't that a good looker? Look at this cute little coupe right next to the 35. That is a Willys. It's a kit car, so to speak. It's not original. If it were a steel body, the doors would have hinges if it was a steel body, but it's at every show. And a 41 Chevy. And right over here is our friend with the 37. Now, is that bright enough for you? Huh?
That's bright enough. It's got a 350 Chevy engine in it, so.
We'll forgive them. Beautiful. I can't tell the difference between a 33 and a 34, but I can read the chart. And the Roadster is owned by Paul Clark, and apparently his wife has a 33 Chevy sedan. Carrie Clark? What about this one?
It's beautiful too. I like the other one over here. It's more subtle.
Yeah, this isn't very subtle, is it?
Look at this one. I like pickups.
I think you'd like to have one. Well, go back to work.
Yeah.
41 with eyebrows. Is that 41 or 49? 5.
31.
Yeah. Yeah, perfect setting. Nice little breeze. Trees give shade. Here's a 50 Ford. Exact model I had, and I paid $50 for it. Ended up giving it away to a girlfriend. Nice clean engine on this Chevy truck. Just never got around to it. The 58 Impala, I had the Nomad wagon 58. 47 Chevy. Again, 56 Chevy, two-door. It's my very first car to buy new, 56 Chevy. Well, I think we've walked the whole show pretty much. At least 200 cars. Nice showing. We're going to stop by Vancouver and downtown. We'll see if there's any cars left over to be there. Well, I always have to take a picture of my car, even though it's not in the show. 2004 350 Nissan Z. Less than 23,000 miles on it. Well, we made it to the downtown Vancouver car show. What do you think, Judy? Is that work in progress?
I'm assuming it is, yeah.
Another low rider. Yeah, from now on, hat and a jacket goes in the car. We've learned our lesson.
Nice engine in there. You don't get shot at.
You know what I want to recreate? I think that's going to
36 convertible.
I want to do that.
There's a Model A under construction. Not a hot rod. Still got the four-banger. Maybe it's going to be a high boy. I don't know. This is the one we saw. We saw this last week at Pietro's. And right next to it, a 29 Ford. Nice little 37 5 window. And we saw this one over at the M&M Swap Meet show a few weeks ago. That's a 36, but why would somebody do that to the grill? Yeah, look from the rear. A 50 Plymouth. Track racer. Set up for drag racing.
The guy that made all the shirts.
With this,
If you want to see something else, there's a lady over here you ought to be taking a picture.
oh, chop. 41 kilos. Yeah. A little rat rod. How nice. A pickup truck. Roadster pickup. That is nice. What's that?
The one that's much nicer down there. Finish over. So you've talked to him.
What?